Hello and welcome back to the Rugged Rockhound. Today's a pretty nice day. It's not as cold as the other days have been. So let's do some rock cutting. And I'm feeling pretty good today. Today's been a pretty good day. I've had a couple rough days, but today's been great. Yeah, I'm excited to get back to doing something I haven't done in a long time. Cutting some of these cool rocks I got sitting around. So many. All of these still need to be cut, and there's still buckets in there that need to be cut. And say hi to the horses. Start off with a little bit of jasper from the San Rafael swell area. Oh, nice. Just a nice little piece. Okay, next up is a nice thin piece of the Levan agate. Broke a little bit. Can't hold it. All right, let me do that. All right. Oh, hey, look. There's like plumes going on in there. Okay, that's something I don't usually see from the Levan stuff. Cool. Here's some of that red agate from the San Rafael swell. Okay, mostly just along the edge. Still looks nice. Here we've got a nice piece of the agate chalcedony from the Red Hill that I hadn't cut open yet. Oh, there's those nice watermark lines. Very nice. Here's another piece of the red agate from San Rafael swell. Oh, that's pretty nice. Got a horse in the background. He's coming to say hi. Here's some of that Salina Wonderstone. Oh, it's got the nice classic black in it. Some other colors there up top too. Very nice. Here's some more of the chalcedony from Red Hill. Ah, yes, good old water lines again. All right. Here is some agate that was sent to me by one of my subscribers, about a year and a half, 2 years ago, something like that. Decided to cut one open. Oh, it's really nice. Maybe I should cut more of these open. There's another piece of the Levan black agate I hadn't cut open yet. And, oh yeah, that's a nice one. The bottom anyway. But it's got cool contrast through it. And, okay, here's we got getting some more of it. Very nice. And last for today is some good old Vernon Wonderstone. I did a couple cuts on this one as well. Take a nice look at these. Very cool. Pretty much what I expected. And there you have it. A few things cut open. Nothing crazy, but some pretty nice stuff still. I hope you enjoyed it. It just feels good to get back to doing something I haven't done for so long. And at the end of this, a little sore after doing it, but not bad. Definitely something I can keep doing. Maybe I can make this more weekly as long as I have more material that'll fit on the saw. Anyway, until next time, remember, there's treasure everywhere.